Hello everyone, this is Shiwen Construction Machinery Company, and here's the Caterpillar 966H front loader display. Feel free to contact if you have any needs.